Sachin Dhumade. I study in 5th standard. I am an online student of Success Abacus. My teacher's name is Mrs. Sharmili Chetan, Dakave. And today I will show you some simple addition and subtraction.
Add 95,
Add 95,
add 3,
add 3,
add 5,
add 5,
add 8,
add 8. The answer is 111.
add 41,
Add 41,
add 7,
add 7,
add 4,
add 4,
add 3,
add 3. The answer is 55.
add 50,
Add 50,
add 7,
add 7,
add 7,
add 7,
add 5,
add 5. The answer is 69.
add 94,
Add 94,
add 3,
add 3,
add 6,
add 6,
add 5,
add 5. The answer is 108.
add 103,
Add 103,
less 5,
less 5,
less 1,
less 1. The answer is 97.
add 60,
Add 60,
less 6,
less 6,
less 9,
less 9. The answer is 45.
add 42,
Add 42,
add 4,
add 4,
add 6,
add 6,
add 7,
add 7. The answer is 59.
add 36,
Add 36,
less 3,
less 3,
less 8,
less 8,
add 7,
add 7. The answer is 32.
add 44,
Add 44,
less 9,
less 9,
add 8,
add 8,
add 6,
add 6. The answer is 49.
add 67,
Add 67,
less 4,
less 4,
add 2,
add 2,
less 1,
less 1. The answer is 64.
add 5,
Add 5,
less 1,
less 1,
add 2,
add 2,
add 2,
add 2,
less 4,
less 4. The answer is 4.
add 8,
Add 8,
less 6,
less 6,
add 3,
add 3,
add 3,
add 3,
less 7,
less 7. The answer is 1.
add 7,
Add 7,
less 3,
less 3,
add 4,
add 4,
less 7,
less 7,
add 4,
add 4. The answer is 5.
add 97,
Add 97,
less 3,
less 3,
add 6,
add 6,
add 9,
add 9,
add 6,
add 6. The answer is 115.
add 80,
Add 80,
add 8,
add 8,
add 7,
add 7,
add 4,
add 4,
add 6.
add 6. The answer is 105.